These are the dedicated tools and materials required. Kindly refer to the manual for outer dimensions and specifications. The communication wire has polarity, so connect the positive and negative elements correctly. Make sure that the high voltage AC lines are not connected to the inter-unit control wiring terminals. Refer to the manual for more wiring procedures and precautions. The specification for power supply wiring is to have a flexible wire of 2 square millimeter power supply cable that follows IEC standard and a total wire length of 30 meter or less. The specification for inter-unit control wiring is to have a flexible shielded wire of 0.5 to 2 square millimeter and a total wire length of 1000 meter or less. Always shut off the power supply breaker before installing or uninstalling the communication adapter. To start the wiring termination, remove the 4 screws on the cover. The power terminal is located on the left side. This is the live, neutral, and earth terminal. The power supply cable will go through the power in port. Connect the live, neutral, and earth wires securely. The communication terminal for this adapter is located here. The terminal that we will use is the inter-unit control line U1, U2, and earthing. After termination of inter-unit control wiring, link the adapter to centralized controller using terminal 11, 12, and 10. Install back the cover and fasten the 4 screws. After determining the attachment position, place the main unit on the wall and mark holes for screws. Lastly, attach the main unit to the wall with screws. If the installation is loose or appears like it will fall out, remove the upper case on the unit and secure with screws in the fail-safe screw holes. Please refer to the instruction booklet before your installation.
Panasonic.